like it that you are filming. You have to ask, okay? Because, for example, I don't want to get filmed.
Oh,
okay?
Okay.
Next time, please ask.
Sure.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing around Hamburg Christmas market to you. So Hamburg is 1.5 hours away from the Bremen where I live. So this is one of the Hamburg, and we have the disinfection station over here. So we can just put your hands there and wash. We are going to the Hamburg Rathaus where the biggest Christmas market is there in the Hamburg. Rathaus is 1 kilometer away from the central station. So you will see different types of shops while going towards the Rathaus. But let me show you main square first. This is entrance to the Rathaus Christmas market. The meaning of Rathaus means town hall. It is also office of the mayor and place where all governmental functions take place. Christmas markets in Hamburg are some of the best in northern Germany. In every shop you can find something different to buy, and as you can see, everything is very unique here. It is just like a fair only. Oh yes, there is a Bank of China also there. I wish there should be the Bank of Maharashtra soon.
मस्त जोक मारा रे. या हंस रे हलकट हंस.
So we have come to the another Christmas market which is on the waterfront. The name of it is Weiser Zauber, means white magic, and you can see why it is named like that. So this Christmas market is around 3 minutes away from the first one, and now in Germany there are strict rules for entering at any place, so you have to be vaccinated or recover from the coronavirus to get entry anywhere. On public transportation there are 2G and 3G rules are applied where you have to show the ID also. You have to install Luca app on your mobile to get an entry and to do the check-in. While entering into the Christmas market and while you are going, you have to check out. After checking, they will provide you the band. Without that, you cannot order anything in the Christmas market. So all the procedures are done. This is famous bratwurst, where brat means finely chopped meat and wurst means fry or roast. So now it's time to have some hot beverage. Glühwein or mule wine is a traditional drink during the winter, especially around Christmas, and it is served in most of the Christmas markets. So there are multiple Glühwein varieties you can try.
Einmal Glühwein.
So please,
Dankeschön.
I would say thank you everyone who's watching right now.
Cheers to the glow eye. One interesting thing, you can also take this glass home if you like that. So there will be no refund for that, but yeah, it's allowed here. So now I will just show you what else we have in the Christmas market. This look interesting, so I gave it a go. But it was okay, it's not so good. So it's time to go back and say goodbye to the Christmas market of Hamburg. If you are in Germany, then you can't miss this sound. It is damn irritating, isn't it? So we are inside the Europa Passage now, and here you can see also beautiful decoration has been done for the Christmas. So we are heading back to the central station to catch a train to the Bremen. It is 9:17 p.m. only, but almost all shops are closed. All Christmas market are closed around 8:30 or 9 p.m. Only some bars who serves Glühwein will stay open after 9 or 9:30 p.m. I am about to reach to the Hamburg Central Station, and we are done with the short visit to the Hamburg and its Christmas markets. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do let me know what do you think about this video.
So our train is already on the platform to the Bremen. So I will be taking this train.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं जी.
If you are watching this video till the end and haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the bell icon and subscribe. Next videos will be about the recent travel to Italy and Croatia, and you don't want to miss them. So do subscribe to my channel and see you soon.